And then as we go down this list of treating symptoms, treating the disease itself, more and more colleagues are involved. So you start by being a sole practitioner, and then as time goes on, you're part of a massive team that do different things that they're each good at. Because the time is gone when we can do all of this individually. So actually, this is a really complicated disease, like most of urology. And management involves a complicated set of people. Now, NICE looked at this, and years ago, they came out with this set of guidelines on how to manage MS. And, sorry, the computer is losing all the first initials or the letters on this, but essentially what they said was exactly what Sushma has said in her introduction, which is that the patient is center. We need to provide services that link up, and that patients should be able to access that service by themselves. So that's essentially what NICE said, and when it came out, this was done by specialist nurses and clinicians. And people thought, well, this is another example of NICE telling us how to do things that are impossible to provide, facilities aren't there. The great thing about this is that actually once you have this thing planted, you start actually finding that you do. And so in fact what we now